Everyone is prone to suffering from indigestion, heartburn, or flatulence at any moment. Indigestion is a digestive disorder that can cause abdominal pain, bloating, and overall discomfort. Normally, it's caused by eating lots of heavy, greasy foods, drinking alcohol, or eating acidic foods. It can also take place when air gets stuck in the digestive tract. You should always try to find out what's causing your indigestion, and, if it's recurrent, consult a good doctor. In natural medicine, there are several homemade remedies that are great for people who are suffering from poor digestion. One of these remedies, apart from being very effective, is super easy to make because all you need are 2 ingredients, lemon and baking soda. After taking this natural remedy, you won't have any more gas and your stomach won't be swollen anymore. See how easy it is to make. Squeeze 1 big lemon or 2 medium-sized lemons into a glass cup. Next, gradually add a teaspoon of baking soda to the lemon juice. The mixture will fizz up. That is why you need to add the baking soda slowly. Add water until you have half a cup of liquid and then you're done. Drink it anytime you feel like your food isn't digesting properly. This remedy is natural, delicious, and very good for your health.